Hi guys, today we will talk about the installation method of Rufus plus how to create a bootable USB using Rufus. So let's get started. The first thing is open any browser that you are using on your computer, and in the search bar you have to search for Rufus. At the top you will see the main website of Rufus. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down, and here you will see the latest version of Rufus. Make sure you download the latest one. So click on this one and then it will be downloaded. I already downloaded it, so that's why I will open my computer and open it from there. Here you can see Rufus has been opened successfully. Now in order to create a bootable USB with the help of Rufus, first we need a Windows ISO version. So let's download that from our browser. At the top you will see the main website of Windows 11, and it's good that Microsoft is offering their ISO version itself. So let's click on it and scroll down. This one is the installation assistant, this one is installation media, and this one is the ISO file. So in order to download, first I need to select this and now click on the option download now. Now I need to wait for a while until the validation is completed. Here I need to choose the product language. So click on it and choose your language, but for now I will choose English International. So after choosing, I need to tap on the option confirm. After tapping on the option confirm, it will take a while. Now here you can see the option to download. Click on it, and here you can see it now starts downloading. It depends on your network how long it takes. So I will skip this process. Now after the downloading is done, what you have to do is simply open Rufus and insert a USB drive. Once you insert the USB drive, it will be detected by Rufus. Make sure the USB drive is empty and you don't have any important files there, because if you do, they will be lost. So make sure you have a backup of all those files. The next thing is to click on this arrow. Here you can also download the ISO version, or if you have the file on your computer, then click on the option select. Your PC will open and you can select the file from there, like we downloaded the ISO version of Windows. So that's why you have to click on the option select, and then your PC will open and you have to select that file. Once you upload that file, you don't have to change anything like the partition scheme and other target system settings, because when you upload your file, it will be automatically detected by Rufus. You can also change the label by clicking on the option volume label. The label will work as a name for your USB drive, so you can change it as you want. And the last thing you have to do is tap on the option ready. When you click on the option ready, it will start making your USB bootable. Once it is done, your USB will be bootable, and that's it.